Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's quickly see what's going on with VECHAIN. Okay, now we know that VECHAIN at this resistance level, and I already told you in the daily time frame that in the weekly time frame that how important this resistance level is. We need to break it and go towards the upside because as soon as we broke it right over here, you can see how the price skyrocketed. Okay, so rejection here came down. Okay, so it has just broken below it, but again but we are still waiting on Bitcoin's little um, what it's gonna do, what's gonna happen. But at the moment, let's just see what's going on. Okay, so we know that VeChain, if we just zoom in a little bit, so we know that VeChain came down, did its little dance in this pattern, and then broke this level, went up, made a bull flag right over here, went up, hit this line, came down, went up again, came down. So now it broke this support level. I told you, we break this support level, we are coming down because you could also build a fact it created like a descending triangle. Okay, now we could just judge the descending triangle from the top to the bottom, and you can clearly see we have met the target right on the dot. Okay, now if we take these drawings off, you can also build a case where it has actually come and gotten support right over here. Okay, this is the previous high, so it just came and fell on top of it. Now you can see clearly that it's trying to build some momentum up and trying to go towards the upside. Okay, so what we want to see VeChain do is, because this is gonna act as a resistance now, so what we want to see VeChain do is come up, break this level, come up, and potentially try to make this kind of pattern right over here, break this, come up, get rejected, come down, get support, come up. Okay, so you can see a beautiful inverse head and shoulder pattern, and this is exactly what Bitcoin is also trying to produce at the moment. Okay, so normally, and obviously, if Bitcoin produces this pattern, then obviously VeChain will produce this pattern because it is actually following Bitcoin's movement, because Bitcoin is actually the market mover. We have to accept that and understand that unless or until something big comes out for VeChain and it creates its own powerful movement towards the upside. And you can see if we do, this happens, you can clearly see where the target level is. The target level is exactly, let's do this, is exactly at this resistance line. So this makes perfect sense. If you can produce this kind of pattern right now, in the 4 hourly and or daily, depending on what image is better. So you could create this pattern, you're going to come and hit this resistance, but that means you have broken this area of resistance. Okay, and we need to see this happen for VeChain, because this happens, you're going towards the upside, and then possibly you'll be breaking this as well this time if it comes in, does this, because it didn't just do this for just for the heck of it, right? It has done all this work to come and hit this level. If it crosses this area, come and hit this level and then break this level and go towards the upside. Now if you look at this pattern, let's okay, and just draw this resistance line as well, because in my viewpoint we are making uh, low highs formation as well. Okay, you can see lower high, lower high, lower high. So it is in an uptrend at the moment. Okay, and come and make this pattern over here. So you can clearly see what's going on now. Okay, we are trying to do something within this pattern. Look, 1 2 1 2 1. So you can clearly see next move can be towards we need to hold this level. So now you know why this level is so important, because this is actually in an uptrend. You break this low, you have just invalidated this whole channel. Okay, so keep this in mind, and things are looking good at the moment. I know it is down, it was up a few days or week ago, but this is actually what you want to see slowly go in this formation. Okay, and move towards the upside. And I think VeChain will slowly it's trying to do that, and I hope it makes this kind of formation where we have this bullish pattern. That happens, we have a very good situation where VeChain will come and battle and tackle this level. Okay, that happens, things will look great again. Okay, but guys, I've made a Twitter account. Okay, my Twitter channel is at ttrader832. Kindly go and follow me if you want to. I'm trying to slowly, get into the Twitter and all, social media, trying to see how it works. But slowly I'll be posting, maybe new kind of like scenarios, patterns, whatever, whenever I get time. But go give me a follow. And like this video, because your likes are actually telling me that you want this kind of content, you like this kind of analysis, and that's a confirmation for me. So hit the like button, and if you do have a Twitter account, go ahead and share these videos as well, because that's going to give me some good follows and subscribers. Okay, that would really help out, and I want to grow this channel, and if it grows, can spend more time analyzing and doing these great videos. Okay, thank you so much, and have a good day. Bye bye. Have and take care. Okay.